In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be posting pictures, products, and make money on Facebook Marketplace. Since 2 years ago, I discovered this particular Facebook Marketplace. I've never looked back. A lot of people are waiting to be eligible and to get monetization before they start making money on Facebook Marketplace. Here, you don't need to wait for any monetization. You don't need to be eligible. As long as you have Facebook app on your phone, you are eligible to be able to make money on this particular place. Now let's go, guys. This place, even if you are into drop shipping or you have a physical store, you can make money. All you need is to find hot selling products and post them. And once somebody that likes it, after agreement on the sales, you can be able to deliver and collect your money. This is one of the things that Facebook has done for people by creating an e-commerce site, you understand, inside the same app that you're using to chat and post pictures, post your pictures and make good amount of money. Now guys, let's go because I am going to be showing you how you can share these particular product pictures. They are very, very easy and you can make good amount of money that can help you, to sustain you and to become financially independent. Now guys, let's go. The first thing you need to do is to click on your Facebook, go to your profile, and you will see Marketplace. Then you click on the Marketplace, and it will take you straight to where you are going to be listing your products. As you can see, a lot of people are listing their products here. And right here, we go to sales, you see categories and picks. And here is my own profile Facebook Marketplace. So you can see I have 745 listings. You need to be posting more pictures so that people will see you. And there's no how you post a lot of pictures, you will not see buyers. You can see that I have 2,384, clicks on this particular profile that I'm using. I have lots of pictures that I've shared. And there's no how people will not buy from me. There is no how. It's not magic. See my listings here right now, and I get lots of messages from this particular profile that I have created on Facebook Marketplace. So right now, we are going to be listing our own products, the products that you actually want to sell, and make sure that any of the products that you are listing, you know where to get them. Whether you're a drop shipper, mostly drop shippers are here right now. So right now we are going to be clicking on sell. You've already selected all the pictures that you want right now. Let's go and select the pictures, click on sell and choose the photos of the item or products that you want to sell. Click 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. Facebook Marketplace allows you to post like 10 photos here. But for this particular item, I have 4 pictures. If I still want to add more photos, I can go on edit, you understand, and post some of these particular items. One thing you should have in mind is that Facebook Marketplace does not allow you to post branded items like LV, Louis Vuitton, Gucci on this particular marketplace. So right now we go ahead and post the items. I'm choosing the title of the product, Easy Wear Unisex Slippers. So you go ahead and put the price of the item. I put 22,000 naira for this particular item. So I choose whether it's for male or female. I'll rightly go with male items, they sell faster. And condition of the item, this condition of this particular item, you put whether it's new, old, fairly used. This item is new, so I'm going to be putting new. The condition is new. It's a new slippers. And the next thing I have to go with right now is to go on description. You put description so that people will be able to find this particular item. So I put shop quality slippers, PVC. You just explain how the slippers is so that your buyers can be able to locate it, and Facebook algorithm will push it to the owners of these particular products. fill in my listing, I'll go straight to publish. You see, the item is publishing right now. It's going to publish. So you wait for a few seconds to publish because they need to review this particular item. Right now it's active, is published. You can see that the listing is active right now. So anyone on Facebook will definitely see these particular products and they will likely send you message if they like it or they are interested in buying it. You can see as you post any item, it will be on review for some few seconds. And if you post those branded items, Facebook definitely will flag it down and they will warn you because you're not following their policy, you understand, to post items. They don't want problem and that is why they don't want all these branded items to flaunt in their, in their app like this. So you can follow the same process that I have shown you to post any pictures, photos that you want to sell, you know, products on the marketplace. And definitely you will start seeing buyers. But you need to post different kinds of beautiful pictures and make sure that you use quality camera, to get your photos or get the images from the company of the products that you are selling. If you don't know it now. A lot of sales are going on in this particular Facebook marketplace. This is where I make most of my sales. If you want to go and open your own website, it's still okay to run your own website. But for now, this is what I'm using. I opened a website earlier, but it wasn't lucrative as this particular Facebook marketplace. And you can also go and look for other e-commerce stores like Shopify. You can also check Amazon and other places. You can see I have 2,000 and something clicks 7 days. So that's not how these 2,000 and something people will click on my page and one person will not be able to buy something. I have done pre-order on this particular, Facebook marketplace. I have done online order and people are still shopping. And after that, you now go to your Facebook Messenger. This is where you'll be seeing all the messages people are asking you, is this available? And this is where you do all the messages and you respond to them and talk about how the product is going to get them. Anyone that you guys reach agreement, you understand, you can now go ahead and sell the product. If you agree on payment on demand, on delivery, fine. If you agree on way bill to the person, anyhow the agreement is for you, you will definitely sell. And if you want to make more money as well, you can also find someone that can help you to deliver to other places nearby. This will definitely help you to make more money on this particular app. A lot of people are buying products on this particular app because there's so much audience. Do you know how many people that are using Facebook? People are using Facebook. So you should also use the advantage for yourself and make good money for yourself, guys. If you have any question that you want me to respond to you on how you can use this particular Facebook marketplace to sell your products and to make money, I will definitely be glad to answer you, girl. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.